Welcome to Tech Sourcing Insights, where we break down the latest trends in IT and business strategy. I'm Alex. This podcast video is proudly brought to you by Ernie Zibbett, the IT sourcing sorcerer, and Eclectic 365 Consulting, your trusted IT advisors.
Welcome to today's insight, where we'll be focusing on the critical themes of outsourcing risks and strategies. Our foundation is the concise work, Outsourcing's Two Evils, by Ernie Zibbett, whose decades of expertise have shaped the field of IT sourcing. I'm Tina.
And I'm Sam. Let's dive straight into it. Zibbett's publication serves as a key resource for professionals aiming to navigate the complexities of outsourcing agreements. The document's purpose is direct. It exposes the costly traps organizations face, notably, paying for nothing, and paying twice for the same thing.
The scope addresses strategic, operational, and technical pitfalls in service contracts. Zibbett's central argument is clear. Firms regularly enter agreements that unintentionally reinforce inefficiency. Today, we'll dissect those issues and offer tangible guidance.
The significance of these insights resonates in every sector. Avoiding these contract evils is essential for cost efficiency and fostering sustainable relationships with service providers.
Let's begin by clarifying the two central problems Zibbett highlights.
Evil 1, paying for nothing, refers to costs incurred for unused or unnecessary services. Think minimum volume requirements or prepaid innovation offerings. These often mean firms are charged for resources they no longer consume or no longer require. Service level agreements, or SLA, can also create this issue, such as when a company pays for higher uptime than its actual needs dictate, or pays the same to manage or support development and production environments. It's critical to eliminate redundant terms in contracts to reduce waste. Another example of this is employee software licensing. If employee licensing is not systematically reviewed, at least monthly, and removed when staff leave, licenses stay in place, and costs climb unnecessarily. And if you don't think this is a problem in our current cloud world, well, you need to watch, listen, or read Zibbett's work on Circumcising the Cloud, a CXO guide to cloud cost control. Here Zibbett points out that the average cloud cost waste is somewhere between 35% and 50% of total cloud spend.
Similar challenges exist with Evil 2, paying twice for the same thing. Firms must be proactive about managing billable units to stay lean regarding paying twice for something. Zibbett points to overlapping software licenses. Many IT managed services agreements are plagued with this evil. This stems, in part, from the significant change in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, which is now so much more than an Office productivity suite. It now includes advanced services for communication, storage, and security. So, if you're paying for storage, you might be paying twice for the same thing. And if you're paying for email security, you might be paying twice for the same thing. That can quickly double costs.
Absolutely.
Best practice calls for rigorous management of these two evils. Contract reviews and clear monthly licensing reviews are some of the actions you should take. Reporting on both these evils enables firms to gauge the extent they are impacted by them. As we say in Harvard Business School, if you're not measuring it, you're not managing it. Without these controls, organizations risk unnecessary expenditure. To summarize, effective outsourcing requires vigilance. Always audit, negotiate, and refine agreements to prevent both paying for nothing and paying twice. Zibbett's guidance, rooted in years of expertise, remains vital for professionals aiming to maximize value.
Thanks for joining us. Focused strategies, monthly reviews of all billable objects, and informed contracting are the foundation of success in outsourcing. And hopefully today's overview has sharpened your approach.
Before we go, did you know Ernie Zibbett, the IT sourcing sorcerer, has written over 20 ebooks on IT sourcing and governance?
That's right. Titles include The Science of Sourcing Governance, Ordering IT Services, Would You Like Chips with That? Sourcing's Three Fates, The IT outsourcing RFP cow is too fat. AMS, the next stage in the evolution of IT outsourcing. Outsourcing's two evils, paying for nothing and paying twice for the same thing. Apply creams to your IT outsourcing pain. Sourcing's 5 critical governance processes. The 5 dimensions of sourcing value, and my favorite, circumcising the cloud, the CXO guide to cloud cost control, plus many more.
Check out all of Ernie Zibit's works online and keep learning how to make your sourcing journey a success. And follow the IT Sourcing Sorcerer.
Thanks for listening. Until next time, keep your head in the cloud, and your feet on the ground.